This week I have been driving the fully electric Porsche Taycan with my family. It is beautiful. And these are my top 3 family-friendly Baby Drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow our socials. Number 1 is that when I get into the Taycan, the air conditioning comes on automatically, which is a real fantastic feature, especially in the Australian climate. Number 2 is the boot of the Porsche Taycan. It's a really nice size fitting a double pram, and you've got the frunk too. Number 3 is the Porsche Taycan is the fastest charging electric car I have ever experienced. From nearly empty, it was 80% charged to its 400k range in just 20 minutes on a fast charger. That is really practical for families. We have had so much fun with the Porsche Taycan with our family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.